check out this catfish.
It's a nice little size. I think I'm gonna keep them.
What do you use a night crawler?
Yeah, let me take a picture of them.
The first catch of the night. I thought you were gonna take it with the fish.
Yeah, can you?
Yeah, let's see how many inches it is.
It's a good size. I think I'm gonna keep that.
It's almost 9 inch.
Almost 9 inch. Can you take a picture on my phone?
Yeah. Take you with the fish? Okay, go for it. Hurry.
Right?
Hurry, I got to turn off the light. There's too many bugs, man. There's too many bugs. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I think I took it.
Okay, that's good.
Got to turn off the light. There's too... Oh. It's a big one, you. Hey, get the net. It might get away.
Where's the net at?
The net is back there. It's a big one. It's a... This one's big. You ready? Ready? Okay.
Man, that's crazy.
The line. We don't want to break the line. Okay. You think we might scare it and then should we make it tighter?
No, hold on, wait. There's something in the...
Cause it might break the line. You got it?
Damn, dude.
Where's the carp on?
You got a carp. Damn. That's fat. Oh.
I like big one.
Big fish,
Yeah,
dude.
this is good, dude. We got big carp.
Dang, man.
Let me measure. I'll take measure.
That's good eating right there, man.
Yeah. I was starting to think we might not catch. See how big it is.
What do you use on this one, worm?
I use corn. It's about 18 inch.
18 inch? Dang. That's pretty fat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Crayfish I just caught. Is it big?
It's a size.
Little one. I think it's a little bigger than the other one. The first one.
Still good though, huh? I'll take it, man.
It's bigger than the other one, I think.
I think so, huh? You don't remember the other size?
The other one's a little smaller. This one is about 9 inch. Here's your catfish, Jonathan.
Pretty good.
Here, take it.
Just leave it on the floor. I'm gonna get my thing.
Jonathan's second catfish. What did you use to catch the catfish?
Worm, some night crawler, the large night crawler.
Was it these?
Yep. Guaranteed catch. Yeah.
There's a little bass there.
What do you think it is? What is it? It's a catfish, huh?
It's a little one though. It's a good size though. Take it.
It's okay size. I think it's smaller than the one you got. Let's see how big it is.
Bigger than the one I just got.
It's making a noise, huh? Damn, that's pretty fat too, man. Not too bad.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. That one's pretty big, dude. I like that one.
You should take off the hook.
Yeah. I'm gonna take it over there.
Yeah, take it over there.
I'll carry it. You could.
Take the rod.
It's pretty big, huh? That's crazy they make that sound.
I think to be big, it gotta be at least 15 inch, man.
For real? That's really big.
I call this one small.
I'm gonna measure, see how many inch.
It's about 11 inch.
Damn, that's pretty big. Or it's bigger than the other ones. It's a bullhead.
Yeah, it looks like a bullhead.